Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video I will show you how to insert the battery in Philips nose, ear and eyebrow trimmer. This is a series NT3650/16, or you can also call NT3000 series. So guys, the battery is the alkaline battery. It is a durable battery guys. Even if it's finished, you can also use the Duracell battery as well. Okay, so how to insert it in the trimmer? So it will go at the back side of the trimmer. Okay, so this is the back side. Okay, so what you have to do, you see there is one arrow over here and there is one arrow on this black part. So you just have to make them together. So what you can do is just rotate it this side, or you can also rotate it to the anti-clockwise. So I just rotate it like this, so you can see you can easily rotate it. So now these both arrows are combined. Okay, once they are combined, just take them out. Okay, you can see you can easily take it out. Okay, so now this part is okay, they are both separated. Okay, so now what you can do is you just see there is a battery sign over here as well, the plus sign and minus sign. So you have to use the battery same way. You have to insert it in the same way, this plus side side on the top and the minus on the downside. So you just insert it like this. Okay, you just simply insert it. You can see over here, this is how it looks like. And once you insert it, your trimmer is over here, then simply you can just insert it. But what you have to do is that you have to keep remember this arrow over here and the arrow on this side. So there is one arrow on the black and one arrow here. So you just insert it in the same way so they can both combine easily. So you can see over here, I push them and now they are both combined. Okay, so now what you can do is you just rotate them back, okay, like this. So this arrow will go now on this circle point. Okay, so now you can see I just move it. Okay, and now you can see now this arrow on this circle. Now the battery is ready and it is completely ready to use. Okay, it is completely closed. So what you can do now is to turn it on, just move this button upward and now you can see it is working completely fine. Okay, so if you want to remove it, you have to use the same method. Okay, just remember these two arrows, just move it toward this arrow, just combine it. Okay, so now they are both in each other's direction, and then simply you can take it out. Okay, so you can see it. Okay, and if you want to remove the battery, if you want to change the battery, just take it out, insert the new battery, same side at plus size on plus sign on the upward. Okay, and the minus on the downward, and simply just remember the arrow, just combine them like this. Okay, and then simply rotate it. Now it is ready to use. So you can see over here, so this is how you can insert the battery in Philips nose, ear and eyebrow trimmer. So this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.